Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the truly quickest way to create your own marketing automation tech stack on your own VPS. I created a video exactly for this, exactly with this same product, but it was super criticized. I'm very thankful for the feedback. I took it to heart and rebuilt everything from scratch. So now it's truly a breeze to install your own thing. It's literally one line of code and then it's doing everything for you. You only need to tell the system what's your domain, which is amazing. And it installs Mautic on a Dockerized setup, which means it's going to be super fast, it's super secure because it's Dockerized, and it's everything pre-made in it. You have your Cron-Jobs configured already and optimized. You can easily update everything with Docker Compose, which is basically 3 lines of commands in order to upgrade your whole stack. It has AWS SES plugin installed. It comes with a Housekeeping plugin, and it has a worker container. It has RabbitMQ as caching container, and so on. Everything is ready-made in order for you to use it and send your newsletters and do your marketing stuff. And the other amazing thing is N8N, the most amazing workflow automation tool out there. I think it's top 30 in all GitHub repositories already, which is mind-blowing. They are great. And this is going to be installed as well. I configured it to be installed in a container on the same server, so with just a different subdomain, and it comes with Quadrant vector database. So in order for you to create really intelligent agents, if you want to follow my tutorials, you can do that. Everything is pre-configured in order for you to just follow the tutorials and build the same stuff, which is amazing. And the other thing is it comes with Gotenberg PDF, so you can create PDFs inside your N8N, which is an amazing tool for workflows, for creating invoices and quotes and whatever you need in order to automate your business stuff. So let's get ahead and let's do it. So the first thing you need is a terminal, of course. So if you are on Linux or if you are on, oh my God, that's terrible. If you are on Linux or if you are on Mac, you have a terminal built in already. So that's that. If you are on Windows, you need to download a terminal and install a terminal. You will find something. Putty is one of the terminals in Windows. You can have different other things and ways and yeah, whatever. You will find your solution. So open your terminal and open HTTPS automate this .pro. Oh my God, look at that. Automate this .pro/the-stack. Okay, then you get to this landing page. Here you have a link. You have the description, what comes with it. The only thing what's missing is N8N comes with Quadrant Vector Store plus Gotenberg, so it's not here, but it's inside the package. You will see afterwards. So that's the only thing, and you can claim your $20 or 20 euros Hetzner credit if you host your VPS with Hetzner. So click this link. And here inside of Hetzner, you're going to create your account, blah, 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 do all the stuff, and then create your own server. So click on server, go to, use your location, and it's going to be Ubuntu 24.04, that's important. And then you choose your server. I recommend the CPX31, which is kind of nice for the beginning. If you have a gigantic workload, take a stronger one. But you will see in the graphs afterwards anyways. So this is good for the beginning. And you can add different other things like SSH keys and volumes and firewalls and backups. And you choose everything you want and then click create and buy. That's nice. So create and buy. And then we go back to our terminal. So this is the IP address we need. So click on it. Then you see it's copied and SSH into it. So SSH root at server IP address. Yes, we need to add it to our trusted hosts. And now we need a password. Where do we get the password? Very easy. Inside our thingy here, we just got an email. Why did I get 2 of them? That's interesting. Oh, it's the same. It's the same, right? Yes. Okay. Anyways, so this is the email and the password. And it tells me I can log in here. So let's log in and add my current password and a new password, which is going to be test1234 hashtag test1234 hashtag. That's the password I use everywhere because I can easily remember it. So, and now we need to have our stack in place. So get the stack, click here. This is opening your payment link. So add your email address, Alex plus test12345 at automatethis.pro. Add your credit card and show it to everybody. So full name on card, the hammer, and pay. This takes a few seconds, but it's Stripe. So all secure. You are secured there. And yeah, this takes you to this beautiful landing page, which tells you thanks for your purchase and check your emails. So go to your emails and find the email. Here we go. It's not from me. I mean, in my case, it's from me because it's from me. But in your case, it's going to be from my name. And it says, thanks to your purchase. Say, show images. If it is in your spam folder, please put it out of spam. That would be amazing because that's a very healthy signal for my email address in order to get out of the eternal jail of spam. So that's nice. So now we have this only single great line, which you need to copy and paste into your terminal here. So copy paste this in here and the magic will happen. So everything, it does everything. It updates your server. It installs all the dependencies. It installs Mautic. It installs the how is it called? The plugins. It installs everything. It installs N8N, Quadrant, Gotenberg, and so on. Enter your domain name. So it just tells you, okay, what do you need to do? Oh, let's put in my domain name, which is oforkdat.com. And now you can have your Mautic subdomain. You need a Mautic subdomain. So, for example, this is the domain name of your website. Then Mautic is not going to live on the same domain. So it's m.oforkdat.com, for example. Or you can put in whatever. So I will leave it at the default, which is M, and N8N. I will leave it at the default N8N. So, and now it says, oh, these are going to be the cool thingies. So you need to create A records pointing to this IP address. It even gives me the IP address, which is the IP address of your server. So you don't need to copy it from here. You can go to your Hetzner and copy it from here, but it tells you everything. So this is the IP address where your A records need to show. So if you have a domain, which you need, then you go to your DNS and create a record. Click there, say, okay, m.oforkdat.com points to this IP address. So, and then let's create another one, which is, oh, where is it? Let's create another record. Oh, close this. So another record, n8n.oforkdat.com. And here the IP address. Now let's create the records. So it creates the records. I can even view the status. Usually these things are done by cron, so usually at the next full minute, it's going to be in sync and it's going to be propagated. So yeah, if you have a record already there and you just change the IP address, it's going to take the time to live of your old record in order to update. So if your time to live is 3,000 seconds, it's going to be 5 minutes. But anyways, yeah, in sync. Now everything is here. So let's go back here. And it says, oh yeah, DNS propagation confirmed. Everything is here. Please enter your license key. So enter your license key. Go back to the email. Take your license key here. And edit. Bam. And this does everything. So the rest now is done by the script. So you can sit back, relax, watch the magic happen, and here the magic happens. Yes, we have a few warnings inside because I bound some volumes. I don't know. It's warnings. It's not errors. So it's fine. It's going to be fine. Trust me, everything works and it's good. So this creates everything. It creates a multi-cron container, a worker container, a Quadrant container, a traffic container, an N8N, MySQL, Gotenberg, RabbitMQ, and Mautic Web. This is going to be pulled and then it's going to be installed. It takes a few seconds until everything is done, but it's going to be great. So let's see. Okay, now it's installing everything. It's starting everything. That takes a few seconds, especially this one, because Mautic is a gigantic, large app. So this one's taking around a minute or something. But anyway, it's the fastest way you will ever experience to install your Mautic. And the coolest thing is it's always the latest Docker Mautic you will have. So right now, there is Mautic 6 already. It came out last week. But the latest Docker image is Mautic 5.4, 5.2.4. Yes, 5.2.4. And this is going to be installed in here. I guess in 1 week or so, the latest image in the Dockerized Mautic world is Mautic 6. So you can easily update. I will show you another video how to do this. It's super simple. Here we go. Everything healthy. Oh my God, and it's working. So waiting for services to start. And this even gives you great other things. So here you see, oh my God, everything is ready. Installation is complete. Mautic, this is your Mautic URL. So let's go there. Ta-ta, m.oforkta.com. Where are you? My web is slow. Oh my God. And it doesn't run through the installer or something. It's done. Everything is done. You have your username, which is admin, and your randomized password. It's not the same password for everybody. So it's randomized and it's created at installation. So this one is running in here, so you can do whatever you need to do in your Mautic. Please take a look at all the other tutorials and all the upcoming tutorials. So if you're not subscribed, do that now. Then you see what you can do with this. So that's the number one. And the number two is your N8N is going to be here. So let's take a look here. Ta-da! So set up your owner account. So do this, walk through that. Password test 1, 2, 3, 4. Hashtag. Oh my God. One capital letter. Okay, let's start with a capital T. Next. This is amazing. Get started. Skip, whatever. And here we go. We are in everything. So this is by far the fastest way for dominating the marketing world, and it's gonna be good. So use this thingy. It helps me, of course, a lot. If you purchase the 1999 thing, I have the possibility and the means to create new videos and help you out with how to do your marketing and how to do your automation. So if you like it, do that. Subscribe to my channel. And a very important thing is, please leave a positive comment in the video if you like this project. So here's going to be the correct, this is not even existing, this video. Anyways, here's going to be the correct link inside. So if you see installation complete, and if you can log in, I would be very grateful if you would leave a comment underneath this video to make the video more visible and to show YouTube that this video is actually helping, that this product is actually helping, and that you like and that it helped you in order to create your own marketing stack and in order to, be more open source and be more out there and take care of your own stuff, which is amazing. So have a good one. See you in the next one.